When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. I'm here to show you why the commercial 1750 is one of the very best treadmills on the market. NordicTrack includes a 1-year iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted to give you new experiences every day while helping you achieve results that you'll feel and see. From world-class trainers like Tommy Rivers-Pusey,
This is some of the most amazing scenery in the entire world.
Hannah Eden,
Let's not waste any time.
John Peel,
All the way to the top, come on.
and so many more. And of course, including me, Johnny Gale. I have workouts from the red rocks of southern Utah to the stunning vistas of Iceland, and I can't wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. Here's a taste of some of the incredible workouts you'll experience.
Good morning, I'm your personal trainer, and I got a great workout for you today. Let's go.
Come on, dig in, you got this.
We're overlooking Machu Picchu.
I'm taking up your incline and sprint to the finish. Let's go, you're almost there.
Let's hit some key features. The 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen brings every workout to life. One of my favorite features is the Flex Select cushioning deck. With 3% decline all the way to 15% incline, you're gonna feel the ups and downs as I run you through the mountains of Hawaii. We pioneered the Space Saver design because we know space in your home is valuable. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give a long, powerful stride. Interactive, personal training in your home, on your time. It's incredible, and you're gonna love it.
Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill.
Introducing Soul's new F63 Treadmill. The F63's solid steel frame comes equipped with Soul's Cushion Flex Whisper Deck, which reduces impact to your joints by up to 40% and can allow for a user weight capacity of up to 325 pounds. Soul's high-end rollers lead to a longer lifespan on its motors, letting you increase your speeds and inclines with ease. The F63's vibrant 6.5-inch screen conveniently displays real-time data to keep you informed and motivated. With online workouts also becoming a trend, streaming videos during your workout can sometimes be necessary. That's why the F63 is equipped with Bluetooth audio speakers, an integrated tablet holder, and a USB charging port to bring some of those extra little comforts to your workout. You can also feel comfortable in knowing your Soul machine is supported with an unbeatable warranty that includes 3 years on parts, 1 year in home labor, and lifetime on the frame. It's time to bring the gym home to you. Get the F63 Treadmill today and let Soul move you.
Enjoy the performance of a professional exercise machine from the comfort of your own living room with the Pro 5000 Treadmill from ProForm. The Pro 5000 is iFit enabled and comes with a full 1-year iFit membership. Get world-class coaching on the vibrant 10-inch touchscreen, or connect your own devices and enjoy access to iFit's extensive library of exercise workouts. Run along with your coach as your machine automatically adjusts the speed and incline, transporting you to your chosen locale from all over the world. Whatever your goal, your coach will get you there. And with a powerful 3.75 continuous horsepower motor, adjust the speed between 0 and 12 miles per hour and the incline all the way up to 15%, or down to -3% with the ease of pushing a button. And for those longer workouts, the ProShox cushioning system will help you stay comfortable. With the large 22 by 60 inch deck, you'll always have the space to run with full natural strides. And stay cool and fresh with the Cool Air workout fan. Plug your devices into the audio port or connect them via Bluetooth. And listen to the crystal clear audio delivered through a powerful pair of 3-inch Bluetooth speakers. And get quick and accurate heart rate measurement with the conveniently placed EKG grips. This sturdy frame is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. At ProForm, we stand behind our products. The treadmill comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, 5 years for parts, and a 2-year warranty for labor. Smash through your goals with the cutting-edge design and construction of the Pro 5000 Treadmill from ProForm.
Hi, I'm Bettina Gozo, and you are looking at the Incline treadmill that helps you burn 5 times the calories from 6% decline all the way up to 40% incline, and we include a 1-year iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts and programs expertly crafted to give you new experiences every day while helping you achieve the results you will feel and see. From world-class trainers like John Peel, Hannah Eden, Gidi Nakande, and so many more, including me, Bettina Gozo. I have workouts from Thailand all the way to the breathtaking mountains of Antarctica, and I can't wait for you to try them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the incline, decline, and duration of every prescribed workout. This experience is the undeniable difference that is available on the commercial X11i Incline treadmill. Here is a taste of some of the incredible workouts you will experience.
Put your head down. Let's get after it, finish strong.
1 minute left. Let's power it through.
It's shorter time, but we're working a little bit harder. Let's hit some of the key features. They truly matter, and were designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. With 6% decline all the way up to 40% incline, you will feel the ups and downs in the mountains of Switzerland. And one of my favorite features is the Reflex Cushion Deck. It's comfort with every stride and step you'll take. Comfort during your workout is important, which is why we include a fan to keep you cool. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give you a long, powerful stride, and rest assured in knowing the frame is backed by a 10-year warranty. We only have today to make real change in our lives. So don't waste another second and get the results you deserve with interactive personal training in your own home, on your time. It's incredible and you're going to love it.
When it comes to your health and fitness, settle for nothing but the best. Experience the machine that will meet all your training needs, the Carbon CTL Treadmill by ProForm. This amazing treadmill will help you reach your fitness goals, whatever they are. All made easy with personalized integrated coaching, delivered straight to your own connected devices. And gain access to iFit's extensive video library. Choose from some of the world's best fitness trainers as they take you on a journey across the globe. From the rugged vistas of Patagonia to the exotic landscape of Bora Bora, your machine will automatically adjust to simulate your chosen path. This treadmill is designed to give you the power and durability to meet every fitness challenge. And with your coach in charge, maximize every workout session by simply following along. Your machine will do the rest. Tired of the same routine? With iFit's video library, you don't have to be. Try something new every day. From group sessions to weight training or even yoga, delivered directly to your connected devices, so your coach is never far away. We know the value of space, so once you're done with your workout, easily fold and move your machine out of the way. This robust treadmill can accommodate upwards of 300 pounds. Don't delay. Experience the cutting-edge performance from one of the most trusted brands in fitness, the Carbon CTL Treadmill by ProForm.
Think treadmills haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22. It's a runner's high you won't want to miss.
Luxury meets performance with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill.